Today I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go on Google and type in buybitcoinworldwide.com. Once you're done that, you should see country. Click country and look for Mongolia. The easiest way to find Mongolia is to type it in the search. Under Mongolia, you should see payment. Click payment method and look for cash. So then it should pop up. We found 3 Bitcoin exchanges in Mongolia that accepts cash. The companies that accepts cash in Mongolia is Local Bitcoins, Bitcoin ATMs, and Mycelium Local Trade. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the weirdest coins or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next video.